They're the treats worth spending your pocket money on. Yes, all this week we're putting a morning show twist on the most iconic school tuck shop food ever.
I love a good tuck shop. Here to kick off the week is the classic finger bun is what we're going to be showing you. And it's cooking teacher Anneka Manning. Hi, Anneka.
Hi, Kylie. How are you? Hi, Larry.
They still make finger buns, of course.
They do.
Oh, yeah.
They never go out of fashion.
No. And the classic is these kind of pink with, you know, coconut sprinkled on top. But we've done a few options today. So it's a yeast-based dough. Don't be scared of a yeast-based dough. It's actually not that tricky. So I've just got some bread flour, sugar, sultanas, salt, and just a sachet of yeast.
Yes.
So we're going to put into that. And then here I've just got some warmed milk with some butter, an egg, and some vanilla. So we're just going to combine the two, and that's by hand. You can do this in a mixer as well with a dough hook, which makes it really simple.
Oh,
really easy.
Not everyone has a dough hook.
No.
I don't have a dough hook.
No, but a lot of people have a wooden spoon and some muscles. And they can...
I have a wooden spoon. Okay, do we have to knead this if it's got yeast in it?
Yes, you do.
Oh, I need it right now.
But a great thing to do with kids, because kids love, it doesn't matter how much they need it, and kids tend to overwork things. Perfect for making bread.
Beautiful.
How long? So what we've done this right now. So the kids are going to love this.
Yeah. So you just turn that out and then give that a good knead for about sort of 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes.
8 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean about the muscle.
Yeah.
Best get a dough hook.
Best get a dough hook. So that's
one of those
really easy to knead, but we won't do that now.
And then once we do that, how long?
Once we do that, then we let it proof. So warm, nice, warm, draft-free spot, and this is what it's going to end up in. You can see it's actually doubled in size there, and that's what the yeast does to it.
What do we do with that then?
Punching this down.
You've just punched all the
air out.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
I know, and it'll come back. It'll come back once you put it back in the oven.
I noticed there's some good healthy sultanas in there, which will offset the other stuff.
There it is. And then you just roll them into literally little logs.
So easy.
Yeah.
This is so easy.
And then onto a baking tray, let it proof for another 30 minutes, into the oven 180 for about 20-30 minutes.
Okay, so 2 lots of proofing.
2 lots of proofing, that's right.
Give us some cool
and then they come out like this. So the classic is your pink icing with. Would you like to have a go?
Yeah,
you can do one there, Kylie.
I'll do the classic.
Yeah, you do the classic.
I'm just
and with the coconut. And you could do desiccated coconut or shredded coconut, anything like that.
Sorry, are they getting that in shots? Sorry, the cameraman, Mitch is having trouble.
Kylie, I think you wore a dress that cut.
I'm doing that on purpose. I'm being a bit naughty, Anneka.
No,
you're giving me a
you've
hard
got to keep them on their toes.
Kylie, didn't you wear a dress that colour on Dancing with the Stars? Anneka, these are fantastic. Takes me back to the old school yard.
Yeah, it does.
A bit of a twist.
So you can do chocolate, and that one Larry's got, I actually put chocolate in that, not sultanas.
Oh, I like that.
So you could mix it up. It's a great recipe. Just sort of match and mix and put whatever you like.
I said to you, these used to be 20 cents at my school tuck shop. You said to me, I thought it would be much longer than that ago and it would be much cheaper.
No, just much cheaper.
These are lovely.
I was thinking for me it was a lot cheaper.
Thank you.
I'm calling this Tiffany blue.
Yeah, Tiffany blue with some.
You can find the full recipe over on our website. These are terrific, great school holiday stuff. And for more from Anneka, make sure to pick up a copy of her book, BakeClass.
How to cook brilliantly. Tune in tomorrow when we take on another tuck shop classic.
What is it tomorrow?
I don't know what it is tomorrow, but these are great.
Thank you.
Pleasure.